So in exactly a month from today, I will be in London. It's official. I will be flying to London. So, okay, Europe. I mean, I don't really have anything solid quite yet. On June 18, I'll be flying into London, and I don't know who would like to have a cuddle session, who would like to meet, receive touch, attention, nurture, care. So I'm putting it out there. This is the time to start. Let's plan this out. So this is kind of what's happened. My schedule's open. There's one of you out there who asked me to go to Norway, and I was like, okay. I am really serious. Of course, I would want to be safe. One, I want to feel like I'm taken care of. So this is what's kind of needed. First of all, reach out to me. I'm going to give my WhatsApp number, so please message me on WhatsApp. I need it to be really clear. Please introduce yourself to me. Tell me what city, and then here's what I need. So from the 18th of June up until the end of June, near the end, I have flexibility to travel. Now, if you are in Germany, I definitely will be in Germany, in Alemania, in Deutschland. So please reach out to me, because I will already be there. I already have travel plans. I'm flying out of Frankfurt, so that's already set. So here's what I need. I'm delaying. Okay, I need you to find a way. So there's money here, transportation to your city, and at least one night stay somewhere, right? So if I'm showing up in Norway, I need you to please at least get some way for me to sleep somewhere that's safe for me, of course. And so those are those costs. And so then the other costs, I'm working in dollars. I'm not going to be moving, figuring out what's the cost for, the euro and all of that. I'm not really going up with my costs other than asking you to support my transportation and my place to stay. So yeah, I hope that's simple enough. That might come out a little more expensive because of that, but if multiple people who are wanting, so I'm already going to fly into London. I did buy a ticket from the destination right before that. And the other part of all of this, so yeah, I don't mind being really flexible. Doesn't need to be fancy accommodations. Probably gonna be hustling like everybody else that's kind of traveling and venturing, and hostels, I guess. I don't know, honestly. I'm right now still in the planning stage. So I kind of do like to be free and just let the wind take me, as it's right now. It's a beautiful day. I think that's it. So if there's any questions, you can either, I guess I'll be watching the comments on this video, but really send me a message on WhatsApp so that I can start answering some questions that I haven't, particular questions. And I think that's it. Okay, so this is the time to get serious. I would love to come see you. See you.